Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing an ice nail design using dip powders. So let's get right into the video. Someone asked me how an ice nail design could be achieved with dip powders and I had a lot of ideas, so I decided to test out a couple of them that might be able to work, and I decided to record it because is it real if there's no footage to prove that it was done? I think not. So y'all will let me know if my design came close to the one pictured, or even if it could pass or if it could fail miserably. Just let me know what you guys think. So what you saw me doing there was applying cheraelsymone bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use acetone or rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Then I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder, then to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and to protect my natural nails from the color, and it is also an optional step. Then, using the clear dip powder and Flirty from Revel, I did an ombre with the both dip powders. This seemed to be a good idea at first, but it really wasn't necessary because the line of demarcation would not have been seen with the icy nail. But I thought it would have been seen, so that's why I did it like that. Also, placing activator in between layers at this point right here was not necessary either. I could have just did the 2 layers of ombre without placing the activator for the clear tip. Now in a container, I placed the bombshell and the Flirty to make my marble effect. And then I just placed some base from the cuticle upward and then laid my finger into the marble mixture. Now using base, I placed it on the tip area of the nail and then I stuck some of the iridescent shatter glass on the tip. Now I encapsulated the nails and in between layers I placed my activator. It is necessary to place activator at this point so that you can get a clearer nail. I did a few layers but I only showed one layer. Now, after encapsulating the nail, I placed some activator on the nail and waited for it to harden to begin filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I apply some gel top coat to the nail and I cure it for 30 seconds. When the nail cooled down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!